Hello, welcome to the Information for You show. I'm your host, Attorney Mario A. Reed, your information concierge. Today's episode is about how to save thousands of dollars for you and your family by taking advantage of a relatively new law here in the state of Illinois. If you own a home, there are 4 options of what can happen to it once you pass away. First, if you don't have a will or a trust, your loved ones are going to have to go through the probate process, which can cost between $2,500 and more than $10,000 and can take between 12 to 24 months on average to complete. Additionally, if you have minor children and pass before they become of age, whomever winds up being their legal guardian could become the owner of the property, which may result in your children never getting the home. Second, if you have a will, your loved ones are still going to have to go through the probate process and yet incur between $2,500 and more than $10,000 and wait the 12 to 24 months for the process to run its course. Third, if you have a trust, your loved ones may potentially avoid the probate process, but you'll have to pay someone to create that trust, which can cost anywhere from $1,000 to more than $5,000 depending on the complexity of that trust. If that trust is with a trust company, you may be required to pay between $50 to $200 a year to maintain the trust. And then once you pass away, your loved ones will likely have to pay anywhere between $1,500 to $2,500 to have the home transferred into their name. And even after all of that money, the home could still end up having to go through the probate process. However, thanks to a law passed on January 1st, 2012, called the Illinois Residential Transfer on Death Instrument Act, there is now a 4th option. The 4th option consists of you simply completing a single form, having it notarized with 2 witnesses present, and then recording it with your local county recorder. If you reside here in Cook County, you may download this form for free at cookrecorder.com/forms. Simply fill the form out, as all of the property information it's looking for is located on your deed, which you may also view at cookrecorder.com. Once you fill the form out, have it notarized with 2 witnesses present. Then take it into any Cook County Recorder of Deeds office to have it recorded, and the recording cost is typically just $50, and then you're done. All you then have to do is tell your loved ones to take a certified copy of your death certificate into any Cook County Recorder of Deeds office and accept the property within 2 years. The process is just that simple. No wills, no trust, no probate court or court costs, and no legal fees. Okay, so that concludes today's episode of Information for Use, IFU. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have questions about today's episode, please include them below, and make sure that you always stay informed.